Hello friends, and welcome to the Richard Eastman Hyde Road Covered Bridge here in Yellow Springs, Ohio, which is also in Greene County, Ohio. This bridge, built in 2014 at a span of 77 feet, doesn't cross a creek or a river. It crosses the Little Miami Scenic Bike Path, which runs almost 80 miles from Springfield, Ohio to the Cincinnati area and covers 5 counties. It's called the Richard Eastman Bridge for his longtime work as county engineer and his instrumental work in making that long, awesome bike path happen. So let's take a look at this great bridge. Let's fly.